So this is our leather sofa. We have over the years let dogs go on it, so unfortunately it's got a bit battered. And I've seen on some Facebook pages this beauty. Leather silk on the Mrs. Hinch cleaning pages on Facebook. Read quite a few reviews on it, so I'm going to give it a go. Now it says on the tin to actually spray it directly onto the sofa, but reading other people's comments, a couple of people have suggested spraying it actually onto a cloth and then buffing it onto the sofa. So that's what I'm going to start to do now. So I'm just going to spray it onto there. Oops, on the sofa as well. A few people have said to be very careful about, oh sorry, the old croc slipped in there. Look at that beauty. Just got back from a cycle ride. Just quickly grab those. Now a lot of people have said if you've got laminate flooring like we have, to be very careful that it can be very slippery. Right, I should just carry on. I won't bore you with watching it all. Carry on doing that one seat and then I'll come back and show you. So I've just finished the first part of the sofa. And as you can see, I think it's come up quite well. If you look, that's the one that's not been done yet. Got a tiny bit on there where I've accidentally knocked it, so you can almost see where it's gone on there straight away anyway. Compared to that one. Let's come back so you can see. Yeah, pretty chuffed with that. So the product's called Leather Silk. I got it from Wilkinson's, about £1.50, £1.60. Lots of the supermarkets stock it. So I would say this is definitely worth a go. Only took me about 20 minutes to do it, and it's brought a nice shine back to our dull sofa. I'll just give you a quick look round. Definitely needs a good buff to make sure you buff the product in. Yeah, well chuffed with that.